Hi everyone, welcome back to today's trade of the day, and for today's trade of the day we will be looking at our Aussie yen. What I have here is the Aussie yen on the daily chart. Now there is a very interesting configuration because it looks as if that price the trend is changing. So if we were to draw a trend line from the low here, okay, and cut across as many touch as many candles as possible without cutting the candle body, we can see that clearly price has already closed multiple times below this ascending trend line resistance, right? And price has also broken below this graphical swing low level, recent one, which if we were to look back to the left, okay, we can see that this level was tested multiple times, right? It's a strong resistance, turn support, and then now it's broken. So let's quickly go down to the 4-hour. So on the 4-hour chart, we already see that a very nice trend line breakout and pullback has already happened, right? It's a trend line breakout and pullback. It tapped the trend line, and now the drop is in progress. Okay, so now we follow price action. We can actually see this sort of a zigzag pattern. Let's use Fibonacci extension from the high to the low, 0.1, 0.2, and 0.3, and we see that 100% is actually just a bit further down. And of course, if price really wants to fall all the way, right, the next level will be the 1272. Okay, hang on. Okay, the next level, apart from the 100%, will be 1272. So we have two very possible targets over here, right? So I'm just going to highlight all this. Okay, and very quickly, let's go down to the 1 hour. So we know that the trend line has already been broken. I want to zoom in on this area here. Now, if we were to draw a trend line, okay, connecting the highs over here, alright, we see that price tapped once, tapped twice, came close once, and came close a second time, and having broke the recent low. Alright, price looks like it's going to come even lower, right? So definitely bearish bias. Alright, and why I started taking my trend line from here is because this was really the point where the whole down move started, right? I didn't take from here because this wasn't really down move, right? Price came back approaching close to the same level, okay, and definitely not at this area because price went down, came back, like I said, same area. This is not the real area where price started the down move. This is not the area where price started the down move, right? The price was generally ranging in this area before starting the down move over here. Okay, so now what we see here is price going lower. Okay, I want to use a retracement of the high to where price currently is. Okay, and we see that, okay, price actually, even if we take it from back behind here, negative 61 falls in line with our 100%, right? Secondly, price actually came back, touched the 50 twice, once, twice, and then reacted down. Okay, so we can say for sure, okay, price has already broken this level, okay, this graphical level. I'm going to put it in red because it's resistance line, and price should go even lower. Now what do I do is I will actually put my stop loss slightly higher than the previous 50%, okay, and then I will wait for price to come back and retest this level, this level that it has broken. I'll use this as my sell entry level. Okay, so I'm waiting for price to come back, retest, and then go even lower. And of course, these two levels, alright, these two levels will definitely be my take profit. Okay, there's something wrong with choosing the layer of the lines, but not to worry. So this will be the first take profit, this will be the second take profit. Alright, so this makes for a nice risk reward trade. Last but not least, we can actually check with moving averages to confirm the trend. Alright, I'll try a bigger number such as 55, and we see that 55 holds very nicely, right? When price taps the 55, it reacts, taps the 55, reacts. So we can expect it to come close to a 55 and react down, just like the current reaction. Okay, so indicators confirm the trend, right? Price action confirms the trend as well. So we can safely say that this is a very nice bearish idea to take for Aussie yen. Okay, and thanks everyone for tuning into today's analysis. I hope you guys learned something, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow.